Hey there, it's Mr. Tosh over at Global, and we're going to work on timers. This is lesson 11 in Unit 4. And timers are kind of fun. Games need them, and as you know, your final project is going to be a pretty involved game. You're going to want to be able to use a timer in it somewhere. So, in order to make a timer, I'm going to start with a raw piece here. There's no template to be downloaded. And on this one, what's going to happen is I'm going to actually add a variable called time because it's something that changes. It stores a value called time. Scores are a value, time is a value. I'm going to make a variable called time. And when you make a variable, you get this option, whether the variable is for this sprite only or for all sprites. I'm going to choose for all sprites. Because when I make my timer, in this case, it's going to apply to everything. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say when the green flag is clicked, we're going to set that time to 10. So we're going to make a timer that counts down from 10. So when it starts, we want it to be a 10. Now, how are we going to get it to move backwards? Well, let's build it out this way. I know that each time I do something, I'm going to want to use change time. And I know if I change time by 1, I'm going to actually add to it. Time's going to go up. And I want time to go down, so I'm going to change time by -1. Well, how often am I going to do this? Well, I'm going to do this every second. So I wait 1 second and I change time by 1. Well, if I stick this here, I'll click the green and it'll go to 9. And then it'll go right back. As I click it, it sets it to 10, and it goes down to 9. And that's it. If I click it, it goes back to 10 and down to 9. So that's no good. Let me pull this off. Well, I need something else. I tell it to repeat this 10 times. So if I repeat this 10 times, and then I'll give myself a little notifier at the bottom. So it tells me that time's up. A little exclamation point. Watch what happens. Now I click it. My timer's going down. It's repeating this 10 times. Every second it's changing it by -1. And it goes 4, 3, 2, 1. And there's my notifier. And I didn't tell it to go away, so it'll actually hold that until I hit the green flag and reset it. If it stop, it just freezes it where it is. That's all it is. It's a simple timer. That's 10 points for the project. Next video, we will have our timer project part B. Thanks for watching.